Hello, welcome to SME Digital Tools Academy. On this channel, we teach practical digital skills and tools that help small and medium businesses manage their operations successfully. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple payroll system step by step. This tutorial is very helpful for business owners, for managers, or anyone who wants to use Excel in tracking employees' salary. So let's go.
The first thing to do is to create your table. So behind the scene, I just created a table. So you should have a payroll table. So your payroll table will look like this, with this column that has employee ID, employee name, department, salary, overtime, deduction, net salary. If those are what you do in your company, so you should have those columns. Now the employee ID are the unique ID of the employee, the names, the employee names, the names of the employees, the department, which of department do they work in or do they belong to. So that's for department. Now the basic salary, what they are being paid. So the overtime here, let's say a particular employee has been working for more than the speculated time or the agreed time. Okay, he or she has worked past his or her time. Let's say a 9 to 5 job, but this one we are not doing 9 to 5. You've surpassed 5. Let's say 96 or 98 or so. So we'll have the overtime here, and the deductions. The deductions could be, let's say, what's the employee has collected, or the penalty the employee has accumulated for his or herself. So it could be from lateness, it could be from loan, and so on. So that's for deduction. Now the net salary is after everything, what does the employee takes home. That's the net salary. So I have already added my data or my records. So these are my records in respect to the columns we have already. So the next one will be the overtime. Let's just assume our employee has worked an extra hour, so it attracts, let's say, 2,000, or let's say 5,000. Okay, this one has worked extra time, which attracts, let's say, 2,000. Same thing applicable to this. So let's just assume all of them has worked extra time. Okay, so that's what we have there. Now let's say most of them had some penalty, or they've lateness penalty, or they've collected loan. So let's just add the deduction. Okay, so that's for the deduction. Now let's go to into the net salary. So this is this formula which we are going to use to get the net salary. It will be equal to your basic salary, which is this, plus the overtime. So plus overtime, then minus deduction. So minus deduction. So that's the formula we are going to use. So I'll press enter, and this is what the person is taking home. So just hold the fill handle and drag it down for the rest of the formula to be filled. Okay, so that's what each and every body is taking home after everything. Okay, so after that, let's format this our payroll table. Okay, so to make our payroll sheets more professional, so we format our payroll table. So we are going to go to the salary column to format the salary column, because this we are talking about money, so it should be in a currency. So first of all, highlight and go to where we have the number group. We click on the launcher here, the dialog box comes up. So we are going to choose currency and then change the symbol to our local symbol, which is naira. Okay, you can choose any of the naira here. So alright, so that's it. So also go to where we have the net salary, because this is all money column. So we'll change it to our local currency. I'm choosing my tribe, so that's my tribe. That's why I'm choosing that. So after that, we'll also make this bold, also make our headings bold. So we'll bold our headings and add borders to our table as well. So we highlight everything, every effect you want to add to your sheet or your data set. You have to make sure you highlight them. So under font, I'll come here and then I'm going to choose all border, so that everything will be added, and that looks nice. We'll also format this, let's say we'll make sure this is at the middle. Also okay, well, let's leave the formatting for the department, and that's it.
And that's how to create a simple payroll system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to SME Digital Tools Academy for more practical digital tools for SMEs. Thank you.